Alright, hey guys, I don't know if you wanted to see another carpetboard video or not, but it's raining outside and this is about all I could really do. I could go in the garage, but there's actually more stuff in there than usual, so there's not even very much space in there at this point. And it's, later in the day, so I don't really have anywhere else I can go right this second. But I figured I'd go through some of the stuff I do on the carpetboard. I know like the tricks are a lot different without the trucks and stuff, but I feel like at least I get my leg muscles, the same ones working kind of. So I figured it's good practice, better than, nothing. So maybe I'll go through some tricks. The easiest one is just the regular shove. Do another shove. See, front shove. Alright. Try a 360 shove. Woo, first try. Nollie 360? I count it, I didn't even touch the ground. See if I can do a frontside 360. These ones are hard. Ugh. Holy crap. I almost got that. It was just a little off. Let me try one more. I didn't do those before. Holy crap. Alright, already getting hot. Alright, what to try next? Just to try a kickflip. Whoa. Got a little out of control there. There we go. Second try. Let me think. See if I can just do like a backside, frontside 180. Sure, I guess that counts. Do that. Now I've gotten, backside 360 like a few times, but they get really hard. Just gotta get a lot of control, but I'm gonna try one. Ugh. Not even close. Whoa. Oh, shh. Okay, that one doesn't count. Damn it. Switching boards. I don't know if it'll make a difference, but I'm gonna try. That was kind of close. Alright, one more. Something else. Alright, what do I got? Do like a no comply thing. It's not in a normal 180. I don't know what you would call it. Got it first try. A little sketchy. Whew, that was bad. There we go. I don't know what that is, but it's fun to do. If I can only do that on a real board, that'd be awesome. Varial flip. I could sometimes get those. Let's see if I can get one on first try. My big toe. Ouch. Oh man, that was pretty much it. It was close. And I get a little better one that. Well, at least I still get tired doing this. It's still a workout. Oh. Alright, I'm taking that one. That's good enough for me. Woo! You know, I never did just a regular Ollie. You know, it's actually kind of harder than the other stuff. The board wants to like move weird ways, but or my foot comes off. There's a little one. Let's try for Ollie North. Alright. Trying to think of another trick I have. Like I tried a big spin. I mean, I don't really have those, but. So, I honestly don't know for sure. I think they usually go backside. You're doing a big spin, so you spin this way. That's kind of close. I think I got that one. Let's try this way. I know I've done this before. They usually look better. See if I can make that better. That's about where I always catch them. What is it, like fakey one? Or, yep. Oh, the fakey one would be going that way. I can do this way. This would be like an Ollie one, or I have no idea. I mean, I'd count that into defense. What else could I try? This little thing, this is something I actually started doing when I was really little, like in the grass with my regular board. So I just kind of like fling it. I'm not sure how much it spins, but I fling it like underneath me, and hope I land on it. Let's see how that goes. As soon as Sheila gets out of my way. Hi. Can you go over there? Thank you. Ugh. That's close. Hit my heel. Oh. Hi. I land primo on a deck. Okay, move. No. Okay, go that way. Okay. Go that way. Watch out, Sheila. You're gonna get hit. Ah! That was so close. It's right there. Watch out, Sheila. Good girl. It's landing perfect. That was primo again. Good God. Yes! That's just all luck. I don't know at all. I'm not like trying to spin in any specific way. All luck. Try doing Ollie. This is actually how I was practicing Ollies before I tried them on the board because I'm afraid I was going to slip out. Whew. Damn, I'm better at those than my regular ones. Alright. I think maybe let me try one more thing that I've never landed. And then I think I'll wrap this up. Hope you guys enjoyed my little carpet boarding thing. This is what I do when I can't go outside and I want to still like get some kind of exercise that's like skateboarding. So what could I do? How about I have done a late flip like once. A very oh no wait. How about a backside flip? Backside flip. So turning this way. Going for a backside flip. A lot of times I hit my ankle like this. Okay, so. Don't really know where I want to put my feet on this one. Yep. Jeez. I don't know how to do that. Oh, that was actually close. I can't believe I just landed that. Alright guys, guess turn. So thanks for watching. Hopefully that wasn't too boring for you. My plan is this weekend to go to an indoor park at Portland. I really don't know like how busy it is. If it's super busy, I probably won't like record anything. But I'll try to get you guys some kind of video this weekend. We'll see. It's supposed to be like 50 degrees and raining both days, so see you for the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, Sheila.